symmetric algorithms, or it may be a asymmetric algorithms, any algorithms also. When you are preparing, usually as a analyst, you will face some problems. I'll agree. But here, your attack scenarios, you need to be when the developers or architects, they will develop after that. You need to select a what is your top attacks will be possible itself of this selection. Someone can key length can reduction attack might be possible. Maybe weak algorithm, maybe they will select weak algorithm or weak mode, or maybe someone can inject a fault. So I thought like you all are some people who all are selected for the analyst role. Okay, you can come up with like a improper crypto mode they selected, sir, but it is not good. I'm not saying so because of your batch purpose. I'm doing something from parallelly from my side. If this is the my view when I given a group of people, if you have a one analyst, I can't force them. When I made it as a analyst is a separate group. Okay, you will work as a team also, right? That is not observed from my group chat. That always as a trainer, I will give the marks based on the your collaboration also. You guys are working for a 10 projects. Okay. How collaboratively you are working also, your manager can observe, right? So similarly, you have the teams now. Development is a one team, analyst is a one team. Even though analyst, he can interact with the developer, he can interact with architects, he can interact with anyone as well, managers as well. Unfortunately, your group, I need to play two roles, even though manager role and as a SSR role as well. Remaining roles, anyhow, mandatory roles are already there. Software architects is there, system architects is there, even though developers are there, analysts are there. So, Preeti, this task for you, maybe I don't know the Gerard Thomas workload under. So, he drawn some trees and all, I already cross-verified. So, similarly, Preeti, if it is possible, right, why not? You can select your algorithm here and based on the algorithm, you can select what type of key also. Here only I put it in like top 20 or something. You can also filter it and you can. Here, instead of a, for example, AES or something, you can take your scenario also. It is a CAN boss or LIN boss, SPI. Then what are the top? It is a selection only, drop of the selection, possible. But in the work area, you will show your attack trees. Ah, you need to draw. Okay, generation is not allowed for some organizations. OEMs never agree with that. You are generating a directly. We can't trust the generations also, right? Attack potential method, you need to show and all. But when you automated, someone will ask like, hey, attack trees you can automate means your answer supposed to be yes. That time you will say that no, I don't know. No, you will say that I can draw or I maybe automate also. That way, I will also maybe upcoming days I will improve this model under analyst. This is the main job. Now coming back to the development guys like KJ Srikant. Srikant, you are able to speak or you are Prithvi. Prithvi, I seen that you clearly mentioned anyhow your part is very clear for me. So that means in the analyst time, whatever they missed in the last class, that algorithm part. Most of them are they're done for the developer homeworks, AES algo. That means AES algorithm they experienced now. At least these contain a five-step process and it contains some rounds. Each round they will do some operations and all. That is only required by the as a development group. It is not required by each and every team member. You don't know AES internal coding. That means your role it is not required. That straight away I can say that. I never overload. You have your own challenges. Architects having your own challenges. Today I will tell. So what are the architects challenges for crypto level? We'll go to the next concept. What is the main difference between symmetric and asymmetric cryptography?
Key,
Any guesses?
yeah, key usage.
Uses. Yeah,
Key
good.
usage.
Key
So the
usage
key, yeah, in the
of
symmetrical,
different keys.
both are using the same key. Whereas in
Oh,
asymmetric,
oh, okay. Asymmetric is you mean to say that one is the key uses. Okay. Uh, you
Encryption and
already
decryption is the
and the
difference.
size also. Key size.
size also. Size of the key also,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes.
Size of the okay. For example, here also you will perform the encryption. Here also you will perform the decryption. You already know, right? Encryption. Encryption means your PT converted into ciphertext, right? Your PT plain text is the input and ciphertext is the output.
Yes.
Here
Yeah.
is a
Yes.
ciphertext is the input. That no change at all. But now you mention a key usage. Okay, I agree. Key usage is the one. Before going for key usage, here also you have some types of algorithms. Anyhow, everyone, you need to write your own algorithm as a developers. How confident, I'm not sure you all are. Algorithm is nothing but a your own logic. If I given a one tool, right, why not you can make your own tool also. Earlier, you don't know what is meant by RNG. Today, you know, right, RNG. RNG is just a random number generator, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, Ram.
Yes.
How many are going in that direction? Why not? Why always you will use that tool only? For example, RNG is what today, first time you got a input is a 2, 4, 5. Then next time your input is any other number, right? Itself of any combination, left shift, right shift operations, you can generate that number. But that is a weak or strong, that is secondary. We will go that level. Whatever they anyhow in the organizations your random number is not a software based number. Your random number is always hardware HSM based number. HSM will generate itself of a registers your number and all. There also you will check the strength and all. Concept level I will tell what is entropy, uh, why how they will measure, what type of strength that you required, how many times they will generate and they will measure it. It is a strength of random number is there or not. That and all a separate topic we will discuss. But when in the day, when the developer, one class is begin, two classes are completed, please go into a in this mindset also. Anyhow, you have a bridge day, right? That bridge day, working people, I'm not expecting more and working people, whatever you are learning in the class, that is more than sufficient. All are having a free time. So please concentrate in this own level of logics also. Then it will give you the some trigger point and all. Okay. So types of algorithms, usually we'll call it as a RSA, ESA, okay, DHM, and ECC. You have four algorithms here also. RSA algorithm, DSA algorithm, DH algorithm, ECC algorithm. Rama, out of this, which all are you will use? Okay. This, out of this, one algorithm directly I will give to the my architects, system architects, Subham group. You take like a one algorithm, okay, system architects, okay, exact use cases for DH algorithm. Exact use cases for DH algo. What are the exact use cases? This is the algorithm. For example, in the symmetric algorithm, Rudra and Ram is talking each other. Symmetric schema, Rama sending some data using symmetric schema. Who will encrypt, sender or receiver?
Sender.
Sender.
Always remember that. Who will encrypt, sender, symmetric schema. Then receiver, always which operation you will perform?
Decryption.
Decryption. What is the common things you need to use? Rudra?
Four we have to use. One is ciphertext.
Yes.
Next is mode and
He also
standard.
need the key mode, I will, and ciphertext, right?
Ciphertext is
Okay. Here, out of this, which one is the powerful element?
key.
Key, right?
Yes.
This key. This key is when the sender to receiver transfer time, someone can do man in middle. The key can modify, right?
Yes.
Man in middle. MITM attack, assume. Or someone can do replay. Your key still modify, right? Someone can listen, right?
Yes.
So, Subham group, this problem, how we are overcoming in the exact crypto world, exact use cases for DH algorithm type, please list out. You are unable to, then next class I will only show you all. Is it clear, Subham group?
Yeah.
System architects? That is the one thing. Similarly, software architects. Before going there, I will give you that overall view. What is meant by, first of all, we are 20 people. Okay. How many keys in asymmetric algorithm? Each party, how many keys asymmetric schema required? Each user. Any guesses?
2.
2. Okay. In the asymmetric level, always we will talk like a one is private key, second one is public key. One is private key, second one is public key. Each user is having a. Now, for example, we all are total 20 people. Guess it, Rama, total public keys and total private keys. How many private keys I will have?
20.
1 or 20 private
Se-
keys.
A sender side is
20.
1, receiver side.
For example, total private keys, Rama, how many I will have?
1.
1 or 20?
1.
Uh,
20.
anyone in the group debate that? Okay, we'll say. Okay, no problem.
The
We'll
private
take.
means it's individual.
We'll clarify.
Each client, suppose if there is a 10 clients and one server has
But
one.
it's a private network. So it may be individual separate.
Software architects, which one is right? 20 and 1? Public. Public. Okay, then I will tell you.
One
First
and 20, yeah.
First two assignment I given CVE is a private attack number or public attack number? Public attack or private attack?
Public attack.
Public
Public
means
attack.
everyone can access, right?
Right.
Okay. Then now coming back to the another general example. Assume. So is house having a 3 paths? Okay. All roads are public roads or private roads?
Public it is.
Public.
Public roads. Assume like these all are their layout. So that time in that layout, when you are keeping a layout, you in front of your house, some road will be there. At least it is a 15 feet road, 30 feet road, whatever may be. This road belongs to public road or private road?
Private to that community.
Private community road, right?
Yes.
They don't want allow means they can do it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Then now you can tell me, private is a unique one or public is a unique one? How many private keys each user having? Rama, how many private keys? Put hold 20. Rama always have a private key is only one key I have. Public keys, Rama public key plus along with all remaining 19 members public key I have.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay. That means private key is the unique one. Okay. Now coming back to the Amos. JT the laptop here. Okay. I given a spec for one specification from BMW BCM, HPC BCM, HPC BCM isn't BCM, CS, STR I given. I told JT, please keep confidential. Confidential. Please keep confidential in his laptop. So at that time, Thomas, I clearly mentioned, please keep confidential using asymmetric schema, asymmetric method. Then how many options you have? In the asymmetric method, I given a chance to you, please keep confidential. That means you can use either of the method, ECC method or maybe DSA method or RSA method also. Okay. Now, only inside your system. Then can you please tell me encryption, which key you will use? Only your system, inside your system. You will use your private key or public key,
Private.
private key. Decryption,
Public key.
Public key.
okay. Then, now you will see I'm doing both operations outside of the laptop or inside of the laptop.
Inside of the laptop.
Inside.
Inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
That means I will do encryption with the public key, decryption with private key. Any problem?
No.
Because only I'm there inside only, right? That is the one scenario. You always keep in your mind. These both the operations sender, only one person himself is performing inside his boundary. That means inside your ECU only you are doing. You have an option like you can use private key and public key also. But now, for example, you will see.
Hold up. Isn't encrypting with a public key, isn't that a issue, a threat?
I will tell you now scenario. Now JT, same BMW STR document is sharing to Uganda. Confidential manner. You will receive CP as a cipher test. Usually, here also I need to clarify you one thing here itself, then it will be more clear. You will see. Always remember exit points. Entry points are very, very important always in the crypto systems. Exit point time, you will transfer always a ciphertext. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Ciphertext he done means what? He already performed the encryption operation, right? Yeah,
Yes.
this encryption operation JT performing time, which key you will use?
Private key.
Private key is required. Why? Uganda, which key of JT is having? Private key or public key?
Public key.
That is the another reason. That means your server or your OEM, who's having the private key always? Who's the owner of the private key?
OEM.
ECU always which key you are
Or you
having?
tier one,
Private
the
key.
EC.
Inside ECU always which key you will keep?
Private key.
Private key. Yes.
Okay, now again I will change. In the laptop example, both the keys where it is present?
Inside the laptop.
Inside the laptop only,
In
right?
inside.
Okay. But when the sender and the receiver concept time, who will perform the encryption operation?
Sender.
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 Sender. That means who's having a private key?
Sender.
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 That is the way you can collaborate, elaborate way. That means who's the sender here? Party. Okay, JT STR documents, how many members he can share in this group? One is Yuganda, one is Rudra, one is Subham, one is Preeti, one is Akshay, one is Jaysri. That means all the members, right? Venkat, Kalyan, Mahesh, Rajesh, SGD, Subham. Almost all you all are there, right? Arita is there. Srikant is there. Ramesh is there. Rudra is there. So almost all you all are, we are count of a 20. He can, he can at a time he will transfer to all of colleagues, right?
Yes.
Right.
Now, for example, all colleagues received the document. They will decrypt. They will decrypt. Once they will decrypt, which key they need to use?
Public key.
Public key of
Public key of sender.
public key of sender. That is the only key concept I told. Okay, now for example, another question, then I will share this one before going to sharing. Here I need to give software architects. Software architects.
Just one query, Ram.
Yeah,
In this
please.
architecture, even the unauthorized node can access this thing, na? If it is a public key.
That is the reason I am. You will see everywhere advantages and disadvantages are there. Here I talked about a certificate or I talked about a key, only key, right?
Only key, yeah.
Okay, only key, right? Key is a. I will give you the tool. After that, your question is a valid question. Okay, I will tell you something. Advanced what came also I will revolve, and later that concept I will teach you as well. That means anyhow you bring the topic. Okay, your doubt like otherwise complete class remains same. So you will see. Likhi. PKI concept. Yeah, we will handle certificate. Yes. Now I will ask you small example. You will get the clarity. What is certificate? What is Subham?
Yes.
You studied SLC, SSC, +1 and +2 also, right?
Yes.
You are a South Indian or North Indian, right?
North
Maybe
Indian.
there also you will call as a 11 and 12, right?
Yes, yes.
Can you please remember you usually BTech numbers we will remember, but intermediate and 10th class your all tech you have a your ID number actually. Okay. Assume like your ID I'm taking random. Maybe it is not correct. Don't feel. Assume this is the your 10th class ID.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Intermediate ID is this is the intermediate ID. Usually we will remember BTech numbers usually some days, okay? Because our career will start from BTech. So if you remember, you can tell me your BTech number.
110292110
One one 110.
029
Yeah.
21104.
So is the way anyone can remember their numbers after 10th class usually, because that is the age you will start from. You have sweet memories on that. So this number itself of this number, other than Subham, anyone can guess in the world. This is belongs to Subham Gupta. No, right?
No.
In the public. Now, okay? Same BTech certificate. You go and open. Your name will be present. Your parents' name, maybe father name or mother name will be present. Based on the state to state, country to country, it will vary. Okay, father name or mother name. Some people can keep your complete college where you study. That college belongs to which university as well. If this certificate, based on this certificate, complete world will recognize you, yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. Now, instead of a JT encrypted using a key, if we encrypted using a certificate, if he is encrypted using a certificate, okay, remaining all the users, when they received the certificate from JT certificate, we can guess it, right? This is belongs to JT, this is belongs to Rama, this is belongs to Jaysri. That concept only we will call it as a public key infrastructure concept. That is a separate topic, Subhav. That you told right, public is public. Yes. Inside public also, you are using a right party of public, right users only using or wrong users, we can differentiate.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Here
Yeah.
only key message, you will only key message. Key is nothing but a number, that's it. Their user credentials never be present. Now, it may be asymmetric or asymmetric. Key is just contain a number, that's it. You can't differentiate this key belongs to so and so person. But so and so company, I can differentiate because when I'm defining the key, I give in the logic to you guys. Key is a how many parameters you need to consider? First class
RNG
itself I told.
Yes.
plus confidential.
RNG plus company confidential thing or company.
That means your CFG configuration plus RNG, right?
Yes.
Here also it help of some series You go and check your numbers. You have your college code, your university tag, your branch. Okay, what exactly you are studying? You are in a science stream or medical stream, social stream. Itself of that ID number itself. If I am a if Rama is there as a top level character, itself of that number itself I can differentiate. These all are belongs to computer science students. These all are belongs to EC students, triple E students, mechanical students. That way, itself of your ID number itself. You have a tag, two-digit tag. So that is the reason in the key, if I found a key, I can, where I worked right, I can guess it maybe. This key looks like my so and so organization key. But if you didn't work, you can't guess it. Oh, this key belongs to whom? That is the another difference. All of you remember. Okay. Now, mainly, which algorithm you will pick for inside the issue and even the communicating with outside world. Both the conditions. Software architect is Ramesh and Rudra, right?
Yes, sir.
And here, inside and outside also you can. One is inside,
Oh,
second case is outside of the ECU,
okay.
outside world, instead of outside world. Developers, out of these four logics, okay, RSA, DSA. Anyhow, DH, you guys can ignore. I need the system architect's opinion. Why DH algorithm is we are given, but you can take ECC, electric curve. Okay? So out of these three algorithms, at least one algorithm you guys can explore. And here I need that why algorithm definition time, all the inventors who all are invented these algorithms, why they selected only prime numbers? Why not even number? Otherwise, guessing of number, for example, guessing of even number is difficult or prime number is difficult?
Prime number is difficult.
Prime number is the difficult. Number is a number, right?
But we need calculation, right? It may take some time.
Oh, reminder is always a danger. Huh?
Yes.
So, no, maybe guessing of which number is difficult, you can first figure it out. Okay. Analyst point of view. Analyst point of view. Yesterday I given some scenarios to you guys, right? I need one thing. Architects are suggested RSA 2048. Okay. And LS 128. But that time, customer agreed that RSA concept, RSA 2048. Analyst, you will support this selection, you will oppose this selection. That is the your homework. That means first you can figure it out like a which one is powerful. AES 128 is powerful or RSA 2048 is powerful. Which one easily they can guess it. And similarly, top 20 I asked, but frankly, I'm telling you, yesterday morning I spent some time with you all, but I came late and I my other batches I spent some time, but your batch I didn't cross verified. After the class, I will check it. I hope when I verified right in the yesterday morning, I didn't see you didn't consider a top 20. You consider only three or four. Some people. Some people I already personally tested. So I hope you already done. I given my thoughts also. What are the top attacks? At least minimum you need to consider for when you are in the as a analyst role. You need to out of this list. Complete list I didn't mention, I'll agree. But in this list, some channel, side channel is important, fault injection is important, replay is important, man in middle is important. Some things I given, improper key usage is important, reusability is important, signature bypass is important. Certain things, how many are already calculated or not. Each class, same homeworks are carry forward for you guys. Top attacks is a remain same until each class. One fine day you will only come up with and you will say that, hey, these all are the way you can do it. Top 20 attacks, top 25 up to you. Attacks of each algorithm, RSA, DSA, ECC, and DH. Or, no, Rama, algorithm is algorithm fine for me. I will also select a drop down model and all, then it is your life is easier. But only thing is directly chat GPTs, co-pilots, day one don't use and all. Please, that is my another suggestion. You first you can explore purpose, you can use it. First you learn it. 2 days, 3 days, it will be difficult. 1 week it will be difficult. Second week it will be easy. Later you can explore. That is the one observation. Second observation is top attacks. What are the attacks are occur? CVV numbers, top CVV numbers. I didn't found from your side and all. Vara analysis not done, right? Anyone done? Anyone completed your Vara analysis?
Completed what?
That you uploaded, Vara?
Say it again. I can't hear you.
CVV numbers of top CVV numbers of symmetric algorithm, you already completed?
No, was that given on the homework? I don't remember that being given.
No, not. That is the two things, Chetty. Directly I didn't given, but I told you your responsibility, right? As a analyst, your responsibility, two things, right? One is Tara. Another one is Vara also, right? Vulnerable analysis and risk assessment also your responsibility only. If here they will pick RSA 2048, okay? What is the fastest operations, guys? Anyone? What is the fastest operations developers you picked? 1 millisecond or 500 microseconds?
100 microsecond.
100 microsecond
500
in
microsecond.
automotive. Hey, 1 second, Rajesh. 100 microsecond in automotive world.
I'm telling point of execution.
I asked you that in the automotive world, what is the fastest operation you have worked so far? 100 microsecond you worked means what is the your ECU? which is you in the automotive in the car, they were running the task itself of 100 microsecond.
Actually, in point of view project, I see 1 ms, 5 ms, 10 ms. These things only I saw.
1 ms means 1 millisecond, right?
Yes.
1 millisecond. That is the in your example, 1 millisecond is the fastest one. Other than that, anyone seen a microseconds? Any airbag guys are here? Airbag guys having a 500 microsecond task. That means within a 1 millisecond, they will perform 2 operations. So this is the fastest in the automotive world. In the spaces, means spaces, space industries, that and all that is differ. They have the even though nano level also. In the fastest operations, I am telling you, I will announce the 1 to 29 is the number. Okay, I will give every 2 seconds once. Every 2 seconds once, I will tell one number, you need to guess it. That means you have within 2 seconds, your function can perform 30 operations. It will guess yes or no.
Yes, sir.
That is the only logic. Brute force attack is nothing but this way I will do. For example, next class, that means our Thursday class, I will teach one concept like a hashing. Hashing means you will get the, if Rama is the test, output of hashing, I will get a pixel length. Okay? Itself of this pixel length, in the complete world, how many Ramas are there also, they will get the same pixel length. Sometimes hackers can attack your Rama. Sometimes hackers can attack itself of this pixel length. Two way also it is dangerous. So this concept, tomorrow, next class, you will get the clarity about that concept. Now coming back to here, AES is powerful or RSA is powerful. And if these guys are selected like RSA, as a analyst, you need to pitch in and you need to inform them also. How you will, what basis you will inform? Based on the type of attacks, right? Based on the type of attacks and based on the in the system present in the already a public attack stories. Now this is the time I need to share the tool. Give me 1 minute. I will. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I have just I have yesterday completed CVs for symmetric crypto.
Uh,
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 just
uh,
I typed
uh,
version
okay.
CVs.
You pasted in your folder also.
Yeah, I've put in my folder also.
Any algorithm also which attack they will do. Man in middle attack and replay attack only they will do.
Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
Yes, yes. I figured like most of them were replay attacks.
Whatever they will, that is the only option, right? In symmetric algorithm, what I can guess it, your key only. That
Key
is the
only,
my
right?
target. So
Key distribution is the core concept.
don't mention now. I given the homework to my architects, right?
Okay.
For example, you read a one year one textbook. Finally, you are going for an exam. Before prior day, you know about it 10 questions, what you need to answer. Then what is the your pain? Tell me. If I revolve that, what is their some sentence, right? They will stop their mind there itself. Otherwise, they will explore complete, architects will explore complete history about DH. Now you mention one sentence, right? D. It will start with D. They will stuck there. That's it. That is the reason when first day when I'm teaching time, if I'm giving a groups wise homework means it I mean because of your benefit purpose only. Otherwise, I can say that these all are the problems. This problem you can now at least when you prepare your CVVs, you will get to know that what is the common attacks in the world. Common attacks, if you figure it out, not only you, anyone can figure it out in the automotive. Top 30 attacks, the 28 attacks will be replay attacks only. They
Yes.
always try to listen the key. That show the tool. I developed a tool like a such a way like you are performing the operations inside the PC, not outside the PC. Okay, that is the way. You really need a outside PC also. I will only give you no problem. Practice the tool in such a manner. I need to give you all now. Can you please download the tool all? All are received, right?
You have the asymmetry tool.
Yeah, RSA encryption and decryption tool you already received, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Here only encryption decryption you will use this tool. Tomorrow our architects homework you will get the some tomorrow in the sense next class you will get the diffie element. DH means diffie element name of the tool. Maybe there that you will get why exactly we will use that algorithm. Okay. Then next class I will teach you all hashing and digital signature. Then I will give you digital signature tool is separately. today I don't want to confuse you. Digital signature also asymmetric schema only. I'll agree. But digital signature, first I need to explain, then I will give you the tool. Here, first you create your private keys and public keys, and you will select these combinations 512,024, 2048, 3072, 4096. If you ask me 3072 or 4096, mostly they will use 2048 also. Some projects we will use under. You will generate key, create a, here you will get that. Yes, please click it. This is your public key. This is your private key. I told when I'm developing this tool, my intention is I'm using both the operations inside my PC. That is my intention. If you are using this tool, for example, this tool you are using it outside, you need the tool from my side, I will only give you. Otherwise, Rama only like a, my intention is what purpose, for example, I need to convert Rama. Okay. Rama is the plain text. I need to keep confidentially. I will keep confidentially. This is the logic. Instead of I will keep in my PC Rama, I will paste it this one. Maybe Surya came. Surya is my friend. He came and he checked this content. Okay. Public key anyhow I will keep public. But private key at least I will keep confidential, right? Then you guys can tell me in your brain which key you will store and which key you don't store. Public one or private one?
Private.
Private one.
Private is always in your brain, right?
Right.
Yes.
Then private until Surya having a curiosity guy. You need to know about my daily, what I will do, what is my, how I will manage my time and everything. You will closely will observe me. So then, at least he try to decrypt time. He will use his own logics there, right here. He will succeed or he will fail. That is the reason inside your operations, right? Whatever you want, you can use. making a ciphertext public one, getting the output back is a private key. That is a strength. This is my perspective. That is the reason I given this logic. Even though example also I told JT and Rama example is also because of that reason only. One example is inside his laptop only we are performing both the operations. Instead of Gerard Thomas, you can replace with Rajesh or Kalyan or maybe any name, any of our HGD or Subham or anyone, or Surya also, Aritha also, Preeti also, Jaysri also, anyone. Now you take your own test here. Instead of Rama, now you can click decrypt only. You will get it. Now, for example, you will take your own examples here. You generate your key. Here also, again, I'm telling you what is the 2048, 3072, 4096 is bytes only you can consider. In the organization, that is the key length only. Key length, that many bits. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Always you remember that logic. Now RSA logic, I think developers, why they selected only prime numbers? Why not even numbers? Or which number is guessing is easy? Prime number is guessing or even number is guessing? Okay, Rama, what are the scenarios they will use for these myths? Okay, now anyhow symmetric and asymmetric I explained. I need to ECU level. We will use secure JTAG, secure access, secure flashing, secure boot, secure storage, secure log, um, host intrusion detection system. Mostly these all are the security features. Here you have a three more features. Here you have three more features. So secure flashing only via UDS or data. Okay. Here secure boot or authentic boot or RTMD. So RTMD concept is there. Secure boot or authentic boot or RTMD. There UDS flashing or WOTA flashing or POTA flashing or SOTA flashing. Always until today, whatever I told, right? If you see integrity, I didn't came at all. Still, I'm in the confidentiality only. On property, you remember, whenever any requirement, any data, you guys are talking about, you need to protect the confidentiality of the document, confidentiality of the message, confidentiality of the data, confidentiality of storage. Then you need to use maybe a symmetric model AES algorithm or a symmetric model RSA algorithm. Next class, I will take you into and welcome you into integrity. Confidentiality means what? You are not someone, for example, here what is my plain test I taken? Rama, right? Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
This info I don't want disclosed to unauthorized user. This is only known by my authorized users. You all are my authorized users, you know, no problem for me. Okay, now I will stop. Okay. I will do some test. Okay.
Ram, I have one quick question.
Yeah, please.
Say example, if you're sending me some content, you are the sender. You encrypted using your private key,
Hmm.
and you sent me, and I am decrypting with your public key. So that's the
Yeah.
idea about asymmetric, right?
Yes.
But I have one question here. Like, can I
Yeah.
also decrypt that using my private key, or
Yeah. Yes. 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 That is also I will do. That is the way actually. Now you brought the concept like a. You will see. For example, socket program. How many guys are worked? Socket. What is meant by one server, one client, right? Sometimes again one server, multi-client, right? Okay. Multi-server, single client, right? One server can use multiple clients. Multiple servers can serve one client also. That is the sometimes client will play major role. Multiple servers only approach. Sometimes client is a small guy and he will approach to multiple clients approach to single server also. Based on this situation, you are also right. Why should I encrypt with my private key? I will decrypt, I will encrypt with your public key only. I need to transfer a Venkat. What I will do? I have Venkat public key, right? I will use his public key and I will encrypt also. But that time, concept is remains same. But you need to showcase, right? Here, always I need to teach OEM and tier 1 concept. Yes or no? Each one having a which keys. Public key, right? Public keys and private keys only, right?
Yeah.
If I will do is a private key, that means inside you see what key I will store. Public key, right?
Public key.
That is the concept. Always you will use a private key concept, Venkat. Your wish.
Okay.
Anyhow, I have a your public key as well. I can encrypt and I will give. You will use your private key and decrypt it. But in
Yes.
UCU level concept, I don't want misguide you as well. Concept remains same. That is the reason tool itself you will see. Now you guys can guess it. What is the test I encrypted? Now I encrypted one test I deleted. Maybe. So sometimes I used that name also. That is our team name actually. What is the team name I will keep? Other than Surya, anyone can answer. Maybe Surya, I told you right, Surya can monitor me closely and all, he can guess easily. Other than Surya, anyone? What is the my plain test now? If I will click decrypt, the cipher test belongs
TCS
to
6B.
someone is, you will see not only Surya. Surya, I thought like you only, but some other guys are there, hackers. Usually, that is a you will see. That is the style because somewhere they listen right. And, I pronounced what it is our team. Okay, Rama will keep like automotive cyber security batch 6, right? So that is the always human brain. Attack surface is also which one I told dangerous guy. Human, right? Be careful you all also when you are preparing or something. Please practice first. Please practice and explore the things. That's it. Developer side, RSA, it is a very small, only two prime number concept only again. Please explore. Now I will upload asymmetric PPT and AES PPT. Now I need to listen. Who will take a voluntary for developer time? Venkat, just now I cross verified. Okay, CVV is fine. You mentioned some rounds also. How, as a analyst, you know about rounds? Rounds is not a tool you done it 10 times. No, that is not round. Round will be there inside the logic. That's it.
Okay,
For
I
example,
misunderstood like that. Like if we do it 10 times, then that's it.
no, 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 no. For example, what I told you, when you call a encryption, what is your thought process? 16 bytes plain text converted to 16 bytes cipher text, right? That is the concept, right? This
Yes.
before this conversion, they will do 10 rounds. Okay? Then here each round 1 to 2, round R1 to R9, 5 operations, J3, 4 operations. 5 or 4, round 1 to round 5.
Fives.
4.
4 or 5. You as a team, you can tell me the answer.
4 Ram.
Yes.
4. Okay. Then round 10. Then three operations, right?
Yes, Ram.
Okay. Now R1 to R9. One is add round key. Next what? Pradvi,
Shifting rows.
shift row. Mixed columns, huh? Add round key, shift
XOR.
rows. Pradvi, Jaysri, Mahesh, Rajesh, Srikant.
Add
One
round
is
key.
add round key, shift rows.
Stub.
Then
Then add round. Add round.
Stub bytes.
So S box, S bytes.
First round stub bytes.
first one is add round key or which one?
Stub bytes. First round.
1 minute.
Substituting.
Critical operations only you need to send. Anyone in PPT and you guys are uploaded, right? First one is subbytes, shift rows, mixed columns. Again, same thing, right? Add round key again. Initial round, just add round key. Final round, omit mixed columns. That means mixed column is not there. But add round, right? Add round key, subbytes and shift rows and mixed columns, 9 rounds. Now, subbytes and shift rows and mixed columns. Before taking, again you have the example, right? How you will do your add round key. What is the main key? How we will do? Today I will share on them. But other than developers, no need to by heart or anything and all not required for you all. This is only required for a development team. If you are playing a developer role, if they will ask. Otherwise, if you tell like, hey, I have a logic mixed columns, so sub rows, so add round key, remember also it is fine for them. That is the reason, don't buy heart and all. Not required also. Only thing is you can tell top level sender and receiver, you have only one key. That is nothing but a symmetric algorithm. No need to by heart anything here. This is already, it is not your logic or my logic. It is a universal logic. It is freely available. We are using it. Okay. This anyhow I will keep today into our group. Similarly, out of that 4, RSA algorithm, please practice the developers. At least only developers. You need to know about that one. As the architects, you need to know about disadvantages of RSA, symmetric algorithm. We made it as a advantages or not, please figure it out. Again, here I given some attacks only. As a analyst, AES algorithms or maybe DES algorithm or TDS algorithm, you need to know about all the attacks also. What are the public attacks are available, CVV numbers are available, and which type of attack they done. Similarly, attack trees also you need to know. Side channel attacks or fault glitch attacks, anyone poor encryption level, key rotation level, key misuse level, These all are the scenarios. These all are more than sufficient. And if I will feel be proud, like a crypto stack level, anyone will enter. That is also too early stage, but I'm giving you that clue also. I'm giving you. In the previous batches, until second time of concept, I never introduced. Better in this batch, we'll see. Crypto stack means we'll call three models. Crypto service manager, crypto service manager, right? Crypto interface, okay? Crypto driver. Crypto driver, I can configure HW means hardware, SW means software, okay? Secure hardware extension. STI also possible. Some people will configure trusted execution environment. Some people will configure TPM as well, trusted protected manager. But 99.99% will configure only these two. So 99.99 also. Very rare cases only. Semiconductor guys, they will use that. We will discuss. Anyhow, you go role decided that under all our semiconductor mines are there. I need to create a two folders creation, and that we'll see. First class, I disappointed. Until yesterday morning also, I have a little bit disappointment only. 100% I'm not satisfied. How you uploaded the homeworks and the questions wise or something. Whatever I'm telling, that only you written, but I don't know. Tara analysis they done, Vara analysis missed. So we'll see. This is the first class I ignored. One class I counted. Today is the second class. Two more classes I will observe. Here, now I need a AES operations, AES encryption operation. AES 128 CBC mode I need to use for encryption. This AES, how many places it will be present? What is your guessing? Only one place or two places? What is the your guessing part?
Places
Anyone? AES 128 CBC, I need to perform encryption operation. This one will present in how many places in the your company source code? One place or two places? Anyone?
I think
We
so.
think two places. No?
E and IV at both the places it will be.
Place correctly tell me how many places? Who is the right answer? Then where and all? AutoSAR code. First place is AutoSAR code. Similarly, HSM code also second place. That is the reason AES same algorithm what you guys are using, right? Okay. If you go and open a crypto service manager of AutoSAR document, crypto service manager of AutoSAR document, I'll tell you, someone left already. Who is that? All Google it, crypto service manager document. Google only you will do. Crypto service manager, AutoSAR. One PPT will come. Please download that PPT. Everyone downloaded.
Hey, Rom, I need to drop today.
Yes.
Thomas, yeah, your homework is clear for you, right?
Let me double check. Yeah. Mention the bar that was missed, and then RSA 2048 or AES 128, and then top 2 attacks for the two algorithms.
Yes, and Varai as well.
Oh, correct. Yeah. Bar.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, you can carry on. As an analyst, your job is done. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, bye. Everyone, crypto service manager downloaded from Google.
Yes, Ram.
Yes,
Download
Ram.
it.
Okay, how many page document that one? 300 plus,
337.
right? 337, right?
337.
Okay,
Yes,
337,
Ram.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, that 337 page document. Now, until today, you know only mode and IV, this terminology, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Ram.
Yes.
Just you type a control F and mode.
Five 35 words are repeating.
How many words are repeating secondary? You go and type where that which parameter, where in which page, your mode related parameter is present. That I need. Can you please go to page number 40? Page number 40. You have a crypto underscore algorithm mode type. Is a one parameter is there or not? Crypto underscore algorithm mode type. Page number 40, last page, last one.
Yes, Ram.
8.2.4.
It is there now.
People will assume this parameter is telling I is a nothing but a something great or something. Okay. My style is always, first I will remove fear, I will introduce you with the concept. Day one, I never teach anything. You go and your kids are studying 10th class or maybe 8th class or 6th class. This enumeration, this parameter, if I will say 00, I am not setting any mode. 01 means ECB, 02 means CBC. They can select right easily. Easily they will select yes or no.
Yes.
That is the only differ style person to person, it will vary style. That is the reason you remove your fear. I'm making expert for you guys is my responsibility. Each and everything I will teach you. I need to teach you via tool. I need to teach you via documents, or I need to teach you via whiteboard. That is my responsibility. people, why in this stage you are the first batch guys, because I don't usually you go and check with your colleague Rudra. Rama, when the 12th class or 13th class opened the crypto service manager with Vinay, he will say no. Surya already knows, maybe others, I'm telling you, maybe usually I will teach this document long stage. I don't know demos they're coming and that is not converting. I think only I'm weak at marketing my style or I don't know what is the reason. Usually how I will teach, I know I will teach like an expert, not like a you don't want bias by me. I will select, I will give you the freedom, you will remove your fear, you will depth in the topic. Now, usually symmetric level, right? Symmetric level and RSA level, each and every parameter you will get it. With alpha my 2, you correlate 4 inputs, initialization vector, mode selection, key, then your plain test, then your algorithm selection also. See, everything is same. So only thing is your style of working in the homework folder, right? That's supposed to be speak in the depth level also. First day disappointed until yesterday morning also some small disappointment is there. I will check again before your class complete today evening or maybe tomorrow I will spend and I will give you my feedback on Thursday.
Ram, generally once class completed, when you are going to check the homeworks, Ram? Because I uploaded last
Uh,
night.
that
Yesterday
is the
night I
reason,
uploaded.
right? That is the I give you one bridge day means when I will check usually. One day you are today morning I will leaving, then tomorrow morning only I will check, right? That is the your responsibility to finish by UOD, right?
Okay. Yeah,
That
I
is
uploaded last
the
night. Please check and let me
understood.
know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
One doubt. So, Rama, so for asymmetric
Yeah, please.
algorithm, so the
Hmm.
inputs are same, right? Like
Only plain
IV.
test. No. Only plain test, right? You selected in the tool anywhere IV.
No, no,
Hmm.
only
Why?
plain text.
Their key is a small size. Your key is how much size?
Uh, plain
I
text.
to,
Okay, okay.
I told only I will give 1 to 29 number, 2 seconds, how many operations you require. Similarly, your key size is increasing 300 bytes. One byte itself you will give a 255 chances. 2 bytes value means 65,000 plus. 3 byte value, 4 byte value, 5 byte value, you go and see. That is the reason. I told IV why you introduced as architects because of second secret, right?
Yeah,
Even though first secret plus second secret together as a 32 bytes only, right?
right. Yeah.
But asymmetric algorithm, I'm giving a 200 plus bytes, 300 plus bytes. Then why you need again one more secret?
Okay.
Already a
Okay.
one locker in home. You requested. Then as a manager, as a superior, I created one locker in SBI. Now you are coming and asking, can you please create locker in RBI? Then what is this? I given in home, you didn't satisfied. I given in the SBI government authorized bank. Now you are saying that no, PMO office only create the locker. No, that way.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. No more questions. Arita, how you are doing?
Ram, one more point. So earlier when we asked once role is selected, you will be sharing the reference, right? Homework. Who has done a better way, you'll be sharing for reference, right? So that others will try to catch up the flow.
I told you, right? My feedback already given, right? One sentence or 100 sentence, you are really, you have a dare to take a open feedback. I disappointed with analyst, right? Yesterday message, any other role I given any feedback?
No, I didn't get
Who,
any
okay.
update from you. That's why I'm
Oh,
asking.
where, why not you didn't get it? Early morning itself I messaged, right? You all?
No, I didn't get any message regarding homework. I uploaded
One
last
minute,
week.
Preeti, wait. Analyst
Uh,
group, I given the message in the group, yes or no?
Today morning, correct?
Today morning.
Today morning.
Yesterday morning, I given
Yes,
the one
yesterday
message,
morning
yes
it
or
has
no?
been.
Yesterday, I given the message, right? My message is nothing but I'm not satisfied. That is the only another indication.
Okay.
If I'm checking in the folders, if I'm not satisfied, I will express in that manner.
Okay, I thought you are giving inputs to do homework. Okay, clear now, Rama.
That is the another way. That is the reason even though I expected you all are seniors, you will come up with like a generating you will keep in a one script, I will click it, I will check that attack trees, how it is generating. That is also not happened. That is also another disappointment for me. For example, I thought like you smart way, right? You all are smart kids, right? I started in 2004, 2005, that time of cryptography. Now 2025, everything open as ChatGPT or Copilot, everything is visible, right? When I'm teaching my BTech guys, instead of drawing, they're saying that, hey, Sarji, you need input. Please tell me inputs, what output I need to produce. They're coming with these methods. So we'll explore, but manually only you draw first certain things. I cross-verified wall draw because they are generating AI models for everywhere also. But only thing is reference purpose I will show. I never share these models to anyone under. The two other batches I never shown these attack trees approaches and all. So here good group of people are there. Please explore and do the things. Hmm? Okay, itne, this is the anyhow 3 weeks complete, you enter into fourth week. Next 2 weeks is also important. This week I will finish most of the crypto operations. Then next 2 weeks, then I will update your resumes. All are mandatory, right? That is the reason. This is the stage I introduced the crypto service manager document also, all of you cross verify that only parameter names or something that is a easy job for me, one day job, parameters and showing that. But some people will say that they will is not teaching reality or something. Reality means that mode selection, algorithm selection, key setting a key, validating a key, these are the things only inside the organizations. Do your hard work properly and
So, Rama,
yeah.
that document, the author document that we downloaded, that one is having all the requirements in it.
That is the you know whatever crypto we are talking, right? All the interfaces you open, you look for that, now encryption operation, yes or no, AES encryption.
Yeah, yeah, all
The
are there.
document you will look at, then it will show that interface also encryption interface, how it looks like.
Okay.
That is the only thing. Don't read now. This is too early for you guys. Okay, I will tell. Okay, once I introduce the concepts, then I will tell. But role wise, anyhow, HGD, your role is a architect, right?
Yeah.
Then very top selection is subject for you.
Okay.
Okay. Surya, how are you, Surya?
Fine, sir.
This Qualcomm one opportunity is there. You will try
Um,
only.
I was working with Qualcomm from KPIT.
Hmm.
Mm. So
You will
actually,
try.
we have some memo like we can't work for 6 months with them. At least when we resign from the KPI, like let's say current organization, so for 6 months we can't apply and we can't join that organization. That is the thing.
Okay, okay, okay.
I know, because in Qualcomm there are some opening, but my
Qualcomm, I got in some closed circle only now, but it is not a direct deployment. At least I thought like
from
you
Mirafara
are
you are saying.
uh, not Mirafara via Digicom semiconductor. I got the clue.
Then
So
also okay. I thought directly deputed on Qualcomm,
they will deploy in the Qualcomm via
third
Digicom.
party. That is okay, sir. That is okay.
Then 1 minute wait. So in the group will face something. You will pitch in. No? What is this?
Because
uh,
the way they sign contract with us, that's why.
no problem. But group I will prepare some JD. Anyone only dare to submit. Otherwise, you all are there for that guy already. He shared the yesterday. Visionary minds. He collected some resumes, right? Whenever that's yeah, some visionary minds, they're asking a resumes, right? Our students are having a high priority. Always, I will prioritize high priority for my student. Then only I will give the priority to our batches. So. But it is at least you will listen my classes 9 weeks or 10 weeks. This is easy to crack, not that much great. So many things they're asking in a single profile. Yeah, I pasted in the key responsibilities you will see in the group. Surya, if you try one try only for interview or something, you can forward. Otherwise, it is a too early stage. Please wait.
Mainly now, like the interviews which I attended, they are going in very depth. Like let's say on Classic Auto, sir, till date whatever I have done is like I didn't like I didn't do anything. It's like that the questions they are asking now.
So why? Because of reason is there, right? You are putting anything also, it is coming in the chat GPT. That fellow will sit in front of you and he will check in the Google and he will ask. That is the main problem, right? Earlier, interviewer will come up with like other than senior manager or department heads. Never come any other guy like a with help of devices, right? He will come with frankly and how I am explaining whiteboard. He will give proper his thoughts. You need to write the logic. Nowadays, everyone is bringing laptops, right? Mobile phones or laptops, anyone having, right? That is the
No one
industry, sir.
no one go by their resumes actually. Now, yeah, as you're saying, they just type one question in chat GPT, they will ask, they will frame their question and ask like that way only. That is the thing currently going
That
on.
is the reason this batch I introducing a too early stage of all the documents, all the concepts, little bit way different style. I hope your group respective guys are updated the questions and I will that also I will monitor and I will prioritize the mocks as well. So which group is doing good or something and okay. All the best and see you all in Thursday.
So,
So.
Rama, one question. The
Hmm.
homework question from architects today is the disadvantage of symmetric algorithms. That one only, right?
One is disadvantage. Second question is also given, right? Why you are using a RSA?
Okay.
This one, DH algorithm.
Beach.
Okay.
That is the main homework for you today.
We are using TH. Okay. Yeah. Toward there. Okay, okay, Ram.
Yeah, yeah. Exact use cases for DH algorithm is there, right? That is the main question for you compared to that.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And that strength also software architects and system architects all together as a common question for that. And again, whatever the methods style is there, right? Old style, it will be applicable for each algorithm style also. Whatever the maybe they for analyst, attack trees and Vara analysis is common forever. Top 20 or top 15. Now, one of the example is telling, right? If I'm teaching a earlier top 5 only, I put it. Now, at least I crossed the boundary of line and I reached a 20 level. Earlier, even the developer also, I didn't ask any time this add round key or some shift rows or mixed columns. Why? It is already there. You will select like AES underscore encrypt and you will pass the parameters, 4 parameters. You will get the output. So only thing is I will insist, please write a one own algorithm. I will give input, it will change the input and giving a output. That way I will insist my students. But now interview based on interview style, I am stressing homework style of the developers also. Yeah, no problem.
Hello, Ram. Is there any further question?
Yeah, that is there, right? Another 10 questions I need to give, please wait. Yeah. Thanks for reminding me. You pasted in the same folder, interview questions folder that I don't want be duplicate now.
Yeah, last time I posted them.
You created separately homework interview questions is also sub folder, right there?
They haven't yet.
Programming interview questions, right?
Program interview questions, yeah.
Yeah, now you will take one more question like difference between structures and unions is the one question and practical usage of unions in the project.
Union.
Yeah, can you please explain about a BSS section?
Explain about
BSS section, memory allocation level, what is meant by BSS section and memory map and BSS section, you can explain. Then what you know about race condition. Then can you please write a small piece of code how to avoid the race condition. There you need to take this one variable. You are copying same variable in 2 millisecond and 10 millisecond also. How to avoid that collision.
okay. In the BSS section only it will come BSS and memory map.
Yeah. How to break a per loop or how to break a per loop.
Yeah.
Okay, write a small program for a stack and queues.
Use. Okay.
How you are identifying the little Indian or big Indian system.
Okay.
How to find a duplicates in the given array. What is the effective method you will use?
Okay, what are the tools? Okay.
Yeah, pass by value and pass by reference.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are the major drawbacks for memcopy function?
Yeah.
Top four use cases for volatile variable usage in the embedded C programming.
Volatile memory. Yeah.
Differences between ECB and the CBC modes.
Okay.
This one already given Ram last class itself discussion.
ECB and CBC, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, which one is stronger, AES 128 or SA? Anyhow, that is given to your some of the architects, but you will also take that question. That is powerful question only.
Which one is stronger? Which a cipher, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many are
12.
12?
Yeah.
A last two you delete. 10
Okay.
is sufficient per day.
Okay.
10 and regular homework is sufficient.
But a few programs are like specific to C only, like structures and unions. But then for Python, people,
You will also use, you don't declare any structure in the Python.
no, we won't be having any structure or union, right? Maybe similar kind of other data types will be there, but
You will declare in the Python you don't have a set, you have a set, right? Set is nothing but this one only, right? For example, you in the Python you have a set, right?
yes.
Then that is the similar to union type only, set and all.
Okay, I will explore. I don't know this one. Okay.
Yeah.
So now the number 3 that explain about BSS section and memory map. You
That
told about
you declared a small C program and list out the sections, code section, test section, BSS section, dynamic memory, heap section. Then you will get the clarity what is meant by BSS. Where your uninitialized variables and static variables will store, right? That is the one section is there, dot BSS section. Okay, you can explore that without miss. They will ask that also. Hmm? Okay, then see you all in maybe Thursday morning. And one more thing, please refer any of your good friends are there, means